Imagine an AI research agent that sources the web for the latest financial insights, digest top news articles, and transform raw data into actionable intelligence, all in real time. So, guys, today I'm excited to show you how to build your very own AI research agent using powerful PyData framework paired with the groundbreaking Deepseek model, along with smart tools like DuckDuckGo and Newspaper 4K. Get ready to revolutionize market research and unlock insights like never before. Welcome to my channel techCodio. I am Ade Bharat Kumar, an AI engineer who is passionate about technology and finance. Here you will discover practical insights on AI agents, career advice, LLM model reviews, interviews, software engineering, and financial modeling. Join with me on this journey as we innovate, learn, and grow together. Before going to the coding, I just wanted to give you a short glimpse of PyData framework. So, guys, you can see it is a framework that I'm gonna work on today. So, basically, it's a modular and streamlined platform for building AI agents. The PyData framework seamlessly integrates multiple tools and models. It simplifies the process of data ingestion, processing, and analysis, making it easier to create powerful AI. So, guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insights like this. Let's open the VS Code and create a notebook research agent, right? So first, what we're gonna do? So first, we're gonna install the required packages. So what we're going to install? Pip install -u PyData for building the agent. Pip install DuckDuckGo search. It's a tool. Now pip install newspaper 4K and LXML, CML, HTML clean. And the last one is pip install markdown. Select your VNV. So guys, you can see it is going to install all the packages that we give. Installing the Groq has completed. So guys, you can see installing the packages has completed. Now I just want it to comment it down. So guys, you can see we got all the packages into our VNV. Just restart the kernel. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? Import the packages. So first thing, we're going to import from py.agent, import agent, and then next one is run response. So with the help of agent, I'm going to build the agent and run response. So we are going to execute the AI agent to get the response. Now I want to import the model from py.model, import Groq, import Groq. So this is for getting the model, guys. And the next one is from py.tools, import DuckDuckGo. From PyTools, import newspaper 4K. Okay. So guys, these are the 4 packages that I imported from the PyData. And the next one is import markdown for displaying the markdown content, for converting the text to markdown, and from IPython dot display. I just want to import display and HTML to show the markdown content. Import OS from .env import load env. So just initialize the load env. So it is going to load the environment variable. Can't import DuckDuckGo PyTools. So guys, here also PyTools dot DuckDuckGo and then PyTools dot newspaper 4K dot newspaper 4K. So guys, you can see here I imported the DuckDuckGo and the newspaper 4K. Let's execute this. DuckDuckGo. This tool performs privacy-focused web searches. It retrieves unbiased tracker-free search results, allowing your agent to fetch relevant financial data without compromising the privacy. So it will allow us to get the data without any security problems, right? So it is going to give you the data without compromising the privacy. And the next tool is newspaper 4K. So basically it is designed to extract and summarize online news articles. This tool enables your agent to quickly digest information from various sources, turning lengthy articles into concise insight that you can act on. It will act as a summarizer that will collect the information from the website and then give us. Got it, right? So these are the two tools that I'm going to be using for our research agent. So now what we're going to do, we're going to build AI research agent. Define a variable, research agent. We already imported agent, right? Just define here agent. In this agent, these all are the arguments. So first, I want to use model equal to Groq ID equal to, we need to get it from the website. So guys, come to Google and search for the Groq API key. You're going to get the Groq API key. So here just log in and then create your API key. Got it, right? After that, we need to get the Groq models. Groq models. So these all are the Groq models. So here I'm going to choose the Deepseek R1 model. Model ID is this. So guys, when you copy your API key, you just need to create this .env there, assign this variable Groq underscore API underscore key, and then pass your API key like this. So our load env, which is going to load your environment key from the .env. So which is going to load your Groq API key from the .env. Got it, right? So it is the model that we are going to work on. And the next step is tools. Tools equal to pass our DuckDuckGo, and the second one is newspaper 4K. So defining tools also completed. The next step is description. Description equal to, we are going to give. So guys, it is my description. I'm just telling the model you are an expert financial analyst and journalist specializing in market trends, economic politics, and investment insights. Right? It is a description. So guys, the description is very important. So based on your description, the model is going to act on it. And the next one is instructions. So guys, I've already defined the instructions. I'm just going to copy that instruction. So these are the instructions. You can see here, I'm just giving for a given financial or economic topic, search for the top 5 authoritative sources, news, research reports, and expert analysis. So it is the instruction, guys. So just we are going to ask model to give us a article based upon our question. So instruction also completed. So guys, we define the description. So it is going to act like this, but we are not giving instructions. If we give proper instructions according to your use case, it is going to give the replay based on these instructions. And the next one is markdown. Markdown equal to true. So it is going to give the response in a markdown format. And the show to calls, show tools call. So it is going to be true. So it will show that how many tools that it is going to calling, and add date time to instruction. So guys, defining agent is completed. So guys, now let's run the research agent. Agent has created. I just wanted to call this agent. You can see it is the description that we gave for the agent. So now let's begin asking the question. Run colon run response equal to research agent dot run write an write an article about the Indian stock market. The next is text equal to run dot content. So let's see what the content we have. Because you can see we got the response. It is the markdown response. So you can see it gave the markdown content. Hashes, new lines, asterisks, right? It is a markdown content because we enable markdown equal to true. So that's why I imported here markdown display and HTML. For this purpose, I just imported that. Now MD equal to markdown dot markdown. We need to define the markdown, guys. Now markdown content MD dot convert text markdown content. Yeah, you can see, guys, it converted to the HTML format, but we need to execute, right? We need to execute it and convert it to the text. So how are we gonna do that? Display HTML and give you a markdown content. So guys, you can see here this response that we got from the Deepseek model that we took from the Groq cloud. So guys, you can see here we use the big Deepseek model 70 billion and then we got the response from the model, right? Here you can see here is heading Indians stock market, navigating a path of growth and volatility, key trends shaping the market, strong tech sector, consolidation and diversification, government initiatives, regular landscape, challenges on the horizon. See how good it is. So guys, it's a wrap for this video. In the next video, we are going to build multi AI agent with the help of Crew AI framework. It is a famous framework that used in the AI agents. So guys, stay tuned for that video and then let's meet in that video.